Hello YouTubers, welcome back to GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair, where my job is to save you money. This morning I'm working on a 1995 Toyota Corolla. It's a 4-door sedan with a 4-cylinder, 1.8 liter and a 5-speed manual transmission. We're going to show you how to replace the outer door handle in this vehicle. Okay, this one looks good, but it's broken, so it takes a little while to get it just right, so that way the customer can open the door. So we're going to show you how to do that. So hopefully you find value in this video, and please give it a like, leave your comments down below, leave your questions if you have any. I will do my best to respond as fast as I can. Alright guys, so we're going to start right with the video, and what we're going to need here is going to need a Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to start right there. Hopefully you guys can see. Okay, that is one. I'm going to slide it towards the front of the vehicle, pull towards you. Now here we're going to have that little clip, the lock. I'm going to use our screwdriver, and comes up. Give me a second because the little lock is stayed here. I want to show you that. There it is. This goes like this. Okay, goes down, and that keep it in place. Okay, so you see this have a lot of play. You should not have that. Here part is broken. I'm going to replace that one too. Now here, I believe, hopefully you guys can see, if we would pull this just like that. So 1, 2. Keep this ones. They're the same length, so you don't have to worry about it. Now what we're gonna do here, we're gonna start pulling the door panel towards us. Okay, it's great. So now, then we have to, let's see if you guys can see this little corner right here. I have to pull it just like that. It comes off. Just be aware sometimes, because of the age of the vehicle, it might be brittle. You have to be careful. Oh, I almost forgot. We need to disconnect our power windows. We're just gonna push up just like that, and it comes off on this thing. Problem with this, that was already glue here. Interesting. All right, remove this, put it on the side. Now we're gonna bring this thing here, and right here is gonna be, I don't know if I can get you there. This hole, we're gonna put a socket with extension. It's a 10mm. It's another 10mm right there, and we have to disconnect. I don't know if you guys can see it. Those two rods. One is for the key, and the other one is for the handle itself to open. That's what the customer brought here. Open it. So you have the one that goes to the handle, and the other one is going to go to the cylinder. Hopefully this worked good, and let's see. We're going to go from there. Interesting. Oh well. Let's go. part here disconnecting all this. I don't know if I can see it. I mean, I can show you guys how to do it because the space is limited here. Okay. There's one. Both of them are the same length, so we don't have to worry about it. A second here. There you go. One of those. What's the problem? Right, so here, the one it comes, let's say, this is the new one. You're gonna lift this up and you're gonna grab and come here and pull the rod going down, go behind and pull. Okay, sometimes you have to wiggle it a little bit so you can get out of here. Okay, and when you remove this bolt, okay, what are you gonna do? You're gonna twist counterclockwise towards the left, like this, and you're gonna pull. So the whole cylinder is gonna come out, so you don't have to remove the rod here. Okay, so don't make more work than it needed to be. Now here's the other one. Like I said, this one have only one. The other one has two. Doesn't matter, we're just gonna use the one here. Everything else looks the same. You see how this thing is up right here. Right there is broken. Okay, both of them. Okay. See? This one, you have those things there the way it's supposed to. So let's get back to getting this thing all together. Perfect. That went back in nice. And the next thing that I gotta do, I'm sorry that you guys can see this, it is how to reinstall everything else, because I don't have very much space and the camera is a little bit too big to do that. So what I'm doing right now, I'm putting one of the two bolts, the one towards the front of the car, looking at this, right, or to the right side of the door, whatever you want to call it, this. Alright, I have to move it a little bit with one hand and tie the other one. We're not going to totally tight this, we're just going to snug it, so that way when we start working on installing the cylinder goes in and twists, and the ear of the cylinder is going to line up with this, put the bolt, and we're done. It sounds really good when Yes, I say it like that. Then I gotta use my other hand to rotate the cylinder. Okay, seems like I got it. Okay. Now we're gonna use this to guide the other one so we can get this done. And tight it. Okay, so I thought I put the I turned the camera on, but it didn't, so it's open. Nice. Alright, so it's time to put everything back. I hope so far, if you're still here with me in the video, I hope you find value on the video. And subscribe to the channel, really appreciate it. That's that. Make sure push this everything gentle, because those clips could be the original one. They probably are, and they are pretty old and brittle. That's what we're gonna have to do something. There you go. Just that. Put like a double-sided tape or something here, but we're gonna figure it out. Here's a new one. The new clip is in it, so we're gonna put this right there, if we can actually. Give me a second. Oh, this goes from underneath. Goes from under? Have to be from under. Yeah. It's gonna go like this. Let me see. There you go. Goes from the top. I was wrong. So that way it can click the way you probably hear it on the video. Push down. put it towards you. I'm gonna use this to pull. Install it there. Hopefully you guys can see. Just like that. Now we're gonna push in. Bring it. Press in evenly. Man, on this thing, they're not. Let's see here. Oh, there it is. Okay. Because this one doesn't slide as much as the other one. You can hear the mechanism working. Done. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's try this. Out of the car. Let's take all the stuff out of the car. Let's see if he opens. There it is. It works. All right, guys. So this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you find value on the video. You like it? Subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Leave your comments down below. And sorry about not being able to show you inside, but you get the idea. Have a great day. As usual, God bless. Do your best. Forget the rest. And I will see you in the next video. Later.